If you haven't created a Binance account yet, check out our video. Links in the description. Go to metamask.io and click download now. Install the extension to Chrome. Click on Get Started. Choose Create a Wallet. Create your password and click Continue. Watch the video and click Next. You can download the secret recovery phrase to your computer. Reveal the secret words, copy it and click Next. Click on each phrase, make sure they are in correct order. Click on Confirm. You passed the test. Click All Done. Click on Network Name, choose Add Network. Enter the required info on screen. Copy the network info on the official pages of the crypto websites. Now you're good to go.